How to make a USB installation disk for Windows 7 without extra software. Want to install Windows 7 on your computer but the device doesn't have an optical drive? Perhaps you're using a laptop without a built-in DVD drive. Or even an old netbook or Windows tablet. Whatever the case, you'll need to make a USB installation disk. You can do this without any extra software. Or you can use tools provided by Microsoft and third parties. Windows 7's end of life is fast approaching. Upgrade from Windows 7 to 10 before January 2020. We show you how, without an optical drive on the target computer, installing Windows 7 as your preferred operating system is impossible. But if you have the original installation media and a USB flash drive, you can make it work. This will also work with external USB hard drives instead of a USB thumb drive. However, all the data on the drive will be formatted and deleted. The following steps can be completed on a Windows 7 computer. However, they're almost the same whatever operating system you're using, including Windows 10. To start, insert your USB flash drive in your main PC, the one with the optical drive. You should also insert the Windows 7 installation DVD. Click Start greater than All Programs greater than Accessories and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Of course, you need to be able to authenticate as the administrator on the PC you're using. On Windows 10, click Start then type Command. Right-click the first result and select Run as Administrator. Disk Part. This will open in a new Command Prompt window. Here, call up a list of disks attached to your PC. List disk. One of the drives listed will be your USB drive. You'll probably be able to spot it based on the drive's capacity. Make a note of the disk number of the USB drive. D/boot/bootsec.x, NT60E. This assumes D is your DVD drive with the installed DVD inserted. And you name D your USB drive. This may differ on your PC, so check before entering the command. The final step can be done from my computer. Just open the installation DVD. Highlight everything, and drag it across to the USB drive. This can also take a while. When complete, you should be all set. Insert the USB disk into your new PC. Then enter the BIOS to adjust the boot order. Your target computer may even have the Choose Boot Device option during startup. If you want a simpler solution to installing Windows 7 from a bootable USB drive, try Microsoft's dedicated, downloadable tool. The main download is just 2.8 MB in size. So this should complete quickly. While you wait, insert your USB flash drive into your main PC. A 4 GB drive should be large enough. Meanwhile, you'll also need an ISO version of Windows 7. You can download it from Microsoft with a valid product key. You will be prompted to find the ISO image file for Windows 7. Find the ISO file on your hard disk drive. Then click Next. Here, select USB device for the media type you plan to create. In the next screen, use the drop-down menu to select the USB drive. Then begin copying. Wait while the process completes. When the bar reaches 100%, you'll spot some status information. Any problems that occurred are listed here. If you need another bootable USB Windows 7 installation disk, click Start Over to repeat the process. Otherwise, click the X in the top right corner to close. Before safely ejecting your USB disk, it is now ready to install Windows 7 on a suitable computer of your choice. If you've been stuck trying to get an operating system set up on your old laptop or netbook, you'll be relieved to see how simple it really is. Indeed, Windows 7 and later already have the tools built in to help you make a bootable USB installer. Failing that, you can take the simple option by grabbing Microsoft's own USB installer tool for Windows 7 and later. Portable apps let you take your favorite software anywhere via a flash drive or cloud storage. Here are 100 of them to cover your every need, from games to image editors. Text source, makeuseof.com.